A report that only tells you what happened yesterday is already outdated. The real value in business today is knowing what's going to happen tomorrow. Anyone can fill a spreadsheet with information, but very few know how to find the story behind it. At PSB Academy, our online business analytics diploma is designed for analytical thinkers ready to turn everyday information into clear business directions. If you meet these academic entry requirements, this program is suitable for you. In just 9 months, this diploma takes you from raw numbers to a data-backed business strategy. You will learn how to analyze past trends and forecast future results. You will also master data storytelling so you can present your findings in a way that actually makes sense to your boss or clients. With our diploma being 100% online and asynchronous, you can learn at your own pace anytime, anywhere. There will be no written examination, so you will be assessed through online quizzes and assignments. After completing this diploma, you may explore entry-level roles in business consulting and market research, or progress to a bachelor's degree with our university partners. If you are ready to move beyond basic reporting and start driving organizational growth through data and insights, this is the diploma for you.